This ad looks like it cost 10 grand. Studio, model, photographer, a week of edits. None of it happened. No camera, nobody booked, the product never faced a lens. It was built on a laptop in an afternoon from one phone photo. Let me show you exactly how. And that last trick replaces a whole edit suite. So normally a clean ad means hiring people. Thousands of dollars in 2 weeks of back and forth. Most small brands and solo creators can't swing that, so they post a flat phone photo and wonder why nothing sells. And it's worse than one ad. You need new ones constantly. Fresh angles, a holiday cut, 3 hooks to test. Shooting that every week isn't happening. That's the gap CapCut closed on desktop. 2 AI engines next to a full multi-track editor. GPT Image 2.0 for images, Seedance 2.0 for video. One window, idea in, finished ad out. Grab CapCut on desktop from the link below and open AI video on the homepage. Seedance 2.5 is launching soon. 3 doors, image to video, Omni Reference, text to video, plus the AI image tool. We're using all of them. Start with images. The video needs something to work from. In GPT Image 2.0, drop in one boring product photo. White background phone shot. And type what you want. New angles, studio lit, e-commerce, holiday, high-end. One picture, 10 directions. The part that got me? Text. Most tools butcher words on a poster. This keeps your brand name and tagline clean. A finished promo poster, not just a background. It also locks a character's design. Same face, same outfit, front and side views. That matters once we animate. Stills don't sell. They don't move. They don't stop the scroll. How do you move them with no camera? Seedance 2.0. Image to video. Take a shot. Write a one-line motion cue. Push in, light sweep, gentle rotate. And it animates the still into a clean clip. Pick your ratio up top first. Text to video, no footage or product photo needed. Type one sentence. Scene, character, even their line. And Seedance builds the clip with motion, character, and sound baked in.
This ad was made without a single camera. A single camera.
Does it look real? Expressions, camera move, and lip sync hold up. Not good for AI, just good. Omni Reference, the one I use most. Hit plus, bring in your product and a reference clip and tell it what to do. Copy that camera move onto my product, pull the background from this clip, drop my logo onto the bottle. It pulls the feeling of the reference onto your stuff. Note: Omni Reference is in the newer build, version 840 and up. Update if you don't see it. Same rule, no real faces in reference clips. It runs the other way too. Already shot something on your phone. Product on the counter, a slow pour. Drop it in and let the AI juice it up. Add atmosphere, swap a dull background, wipe the thing in the corner. Boring footage in, scroll stopping footage out, no reshoot. This is why it's all one app. Drag every clip onto the timeline, stack the product shots, layer in AI B-roll, drop transitions, trim to the beat. A quick trimmer snaps a long clip to 15 seconds. Add captions, line up audio, and the rough cut becomes a real ad. No second program. Remember those 3 hooks? Here's where you make them. Swap the opening line, change the music, export 3 cuts in the time one used to take. Post all 3, see what pops, double down, a /B testing, no agency. 3 things stack on what you just learned. First, multi-shot sequences. Describe a short run of shots. Scene 1, cut to scene 2, then the ending. And it keeps the subject, outfit, and style consistent across all of them. A real mini ad. Second, video extension, a clip that ends too soon. Feed it back in, tell it what happens next, and it keeps going in the same style, up to about 30 seconds. Third, the one I promised. The object explosion effect, strawberries bursting around a drink, a phone shattering into its parts, then rebuilding. Stuff that used to need an After Effects guy and a budget. That first ad? Photos from one picture, motion from Seedance, the transition from Omni Reference, the explosion from a prompt, all on one timeline. A few catches straight up. It's built to generate, not for tiny frame-by-frame fixes. For those, use the regular editor. The model menu has Seedance 2.0 and a faster Seedance 2.0 fast. Resolution runs up to 720p today, 1080p rolling out, so the top option may not be live yet. Some features unlock by region. If something's grayed out, that's the rollout, not you. Check the link for what's live in your country. Everything else is on you. Your idea, your taste. The tool just removes the part where you needed a crew. 1. Consistency. Same product, character, and style across every shot, so a multi-shot ad reads as one ad, not 5 clips taped together. 2. Replication. Copy a look, a camera move, or a transition in seconds, or go from one sentence to a finished clip. You never start from a blank page. 3. Speed in one place. Generate and edit in the same window, so you ship a batch of versions while everyone else is still booking a studio. Click my link to try CapCut PC and run an AI workflow on your own marketing. It's in the description and pinned at the top of the comments. Make your first ad from one photo, then tell me what you built. I read every comment, and the best one gets featured in the next video. Catch you in the next one.